Celebrating diversity, friends from every culture, a tale of Zuckerberg and Elon Musk. In a bustling little town, there was a park where kids loved to gather after school. One summer afternoon, a curious boy named Zuckerberg sat on a bench, lost in the pages of a book. Across the park, another boy, Elon Musk, was hard at work assembling a small rocket out of cardboard, tape, and a whole lot of imagination. When the rocket whooshed into the air, Zuckerberg couldn't help but wander over to ask questions. And that's how a friendship like no other began. Zuckerberg loved to read about different cultures and traditions, while Elon was always inventing and creating. As they sat together on the park bench, they exchanged ideas, stories, and laughter. Despite being so different, they realized how much they could learn from one another. That summer, their bond grew stronger, forming the foundation of a lifelong friendship. One evening, while doing homework together, Zuckerberg asked Elon, "Do you know much about where I come from? My family celebrates such interesting traditions." Elon shook his head and said, "Not really, but I'd love to learn. And I'll show you my family's traditions too." This sparked an exciting journey for the two boys as they began to share their cultures with one another. Zuckerberg introduced Elon to the rhythmic beats of a traditional drum, which was a centerpiece in his family's festivals. Elon, on the other hand, shared tales of stargazing and the importance of science in his family. They laughed, learned, and marveled at how much there was to discover about each other's worlds. Their excitement spilled over into school, where they decided to host a cultural exchange party. Zuckerberg brought vibrant dishes from his heritage, like spicy rice and sweet treats, while Elon brought pastries and refreshing drinks from his family's recipes. The classroom buzzed with curiosity as their friends tasted the food and listened to stories about the origins of the dishes. It was a feast not just for the stomach, but for the mind as well. Not everyone understood their friendship, though. A few kids teased them, saying, "Why are you two even friends? You're so different." The words stung, but Zuckerberg and Elon didn't let the negativity get to them. They knew that their differences made their friendship special, and they were determined to show others the value of embracing diversity. Instead of arguing or retaliating, Zuckerberg and Elon came up with a plan. They invited the teasing kids over for a playdate, where they shared stories, games, and food from their respective cultures. Slowly but surely, the kids began to see how amazing it was to learn about others. The teasing stopped, and new friendships started to bloom. For their next school project, Zuckerberg and Elon decided to spread their message of unity. They created a colorful poster showing children from all cultures holding hands around the world. The message on it read, "We're better together." Their presentation was so heartfelt and inspiring that their teacher gave them a standing ovation. The entire class applauded their efforts to bring people closer. Their efforts transformed the school. The playground, which used to have small groups sticking to themselves, became a place where everyone played together, shared their snacks, and celebrated one another's uniqueness. Cultural days became a regular feature, where students brought stories, food, and games from their heritage. To symbolize their friendship and the unity they had inspired, Zuckerberg and Elon planted a tree in the schoolyard. They called it the Unity Tree and decorated it with small flags representing every student's heritage. The tree became a powerful reminder that differences make us stronger and that the world is a more beautiful place when we celebrate diversity together. And just like the tree, their message of unity continued to grow, reaching far beyond their school.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to 5 A Minute Storybook for more motivational content.